Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CLNE. We will take a look at the daily time frame. Done this one several times before, although it's been a while, and honestly, I don't remember the last time I did it. However, did want to get things updated here as the bears took a pretty big bite out of it with the gap down, and then even after the gap down, you can see via the candle, the price just kind of kept on sinking the remainder of the day. So I just kind of want to, take a step back, look at a bigger picture of things with the daily time frame, and then just point out where some of these overall levels of support and then resistance are. So from a support standpoint, the next key level of support where the price very well could be headed down at this point in time, as there seemed to be quite a bit of bearish momentum, is this previous consolidation area right there at $2.80. You go back to a little quick history trip, and you can see that the bulls made the big move up here, and then on the pullback after the big move, that is where the bears could no longer have any success in terms of pressing the price down any further, and just quite a bit of times the price was just hanging right around $2.80. So that is that next level of support where there's no such thing as a guarantee in the market, but would it be shocking to see the price drift itself down to at least 280? No, that would not be shocking, at all. The other level to keep an eye on, though, and it gets a little tricky here, is that purple line, which is the 50-day simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself upwards. So technically speaking, if that purple line crosses up above 280, then the purple line becomes the near-term level of support, and then it gets a little bit trickier in terms of 280 maybe not getting tested. But as things stand right now, that purple line is still down below 280, so that's why 280 I would still say is the higher priority level of support. But again, when that purple line crosses up above 280, that's at that point in time where the purple line would take a higher priority over the $2.80 mark. What about levels of resistance? Key overall area of resistance going forward with any sort of bounce to the upside is going to be right there at $3.50. And I think I'll just leave it at that because right now, the momentum is in the bearish side of things. So I'd be shocked if it just turned around and all of a sudden was, heading back up to 350. But yeah, right now I would say that sideways action is just as good as any sort of upwards price action. So we'll see how things continue to play out. But big picture trend, the bulls do still have an opportunity to build a higher base. So assuming you're not a day trader that bought up around $4 and wanted to sell within 20 minutes, then yeah, technically speaking, big picture, the trend is still bullish and remains so as long as the price is above that purple line. So let's see how the week closes out tomorrow. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.